12 different social media posts. LinkedIn, Instagram, Reddit, Facebook, X, even niche community forums. All perfectly customized for each platform's audience and style. I didn't write any of them. AI did, in 30 seconds, and it happens automatically every time I upload a YouTube video. This is how. I'm Selwyn. I build automation systems that work while you sleep. If you've ever spent 2 hours rewriting the same announcement for 6 different platforms, or just given up and copy-pasted the same generic post everywhere, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have the exact workflow template to automate your social media posting across every platform. Whether you're a YouTuber, a SaaS founder, a coach, or anyone who hates manually posting content, this will save you hours every single week. Let's break down the problem. Then I'll show you exactly how to build this. Here's what most people do. They write one post, copy-paste it everywhere, maybe swap a hashtag or add an emoji. The problem? Every platform has completely different audiences and cultures. LinkedIn wants professional insights with data. Reddit will destroy you if you sound remotely promotional. Instagram needs visual hooks and emojis. X demands brevity and punch. Facebook groups want community-first value. When you post the same thing everywhere, you get ignored everywhere. So your options are spend 2 to 3 hours per video manually rewriting for each platform, or just skip most platforms and lose 80% of your potential reach. There's a third option. Automation. Here's how this workflow thinks. Step 1. Trigger. Either manual when you're ready to post, or fully automatic when a new video goes live. Step 2. Fetch your latest YouTube video data. Title, description, thumbnail, URL, and publish date. Step 3. Send that data to OpenAI with 12 different prompts, one for each platform. Step 4. Parse the AI's response into clean, usable JSON. Step 5. Store it in a spreadsheet, send it to Slack for review, or auto-post directly to each platform. The magic is in Step 3, the prompts. I've engineered 12 different AI personalities for the exact same content. Watch how different these are. Same video, completely different energy. All right, let's build this from scratch. I'll show you the core structure, then you can customize it for your workflow. Start with a manual trigger. I prefer manual control because I like reviewing posts before they go live, but you can fully automate this with a webhook or schedule trigger. For now, manual is perfect. One click, and the whole machine runs. Next, we grab your latest video data. You'll need the YouTube Data API. It's free, and I'll show you exactly how to set it up. In the HTTP request node, method, get, URL, copy the URL displayed on the screen. Then add these parameters. Your channel ID is in your YouTube Studio URL. Copy that. Your API key comes from Google Cloud Console. Go to this link, enable YouTube Data API v3, create credentials, copy the key. Takes 2 minutes. When you execute this, you get a JSON response with your latest video's title, description, thumbnail, everything. This is what we'll send to AI. This is where it gets interesting. Add an OpenAI node. I use GPT-4 for quality, but GPT 3.5 Turbo works fine and costs way less. Resource, chat model. Model, GPT-4. Operation, message, a model. Now here's the exact prompt I use. Feel free to copy this word for word. Notice I'm pulling data from the previous node using N8N expressions. This is how you reference previous node outputs. Also notice, I'm explicitly telling it no promotional language. These posts are designed to start conversations and provide value. The sales happen later in your funnel, not in the social post. When you run this, you get back a JSON object with all 12 posts, each one perfectly tailored. Sometimes OpenAI wraps JSON in markdown code blocks like this. We need to strip that out. Add a code node with this JavaScript. Now you have clean, structured data ready to use anywhere. Final step. What do you want to do with these posts? Option 1. Send them to Google Sheets for review. You can manually copy-paste when you're ready. Option 2. Send to Slack or Discord so your team can review and approve. Option 3. Fully automate. Connect to X, LinkedIn, or Reddit API. Post automatically to all platforms. I personally use option 2. I send everything to a Slack channel, review it in 5 minutes, then manually post. Keeps me in control but saves 90% of the writing time. And that's it. One workflow, 12 custom posts, 0 manual writing. Let me show you this in action with a real video. Trigger fires, fetches latest video, sends to OpenAI, parses the response, and here's what we get. Look at how different these are. LinkedIn is formal, professional. Reddit is conversational, asking questions. Instagram has emojis and line breaks. Same video, 12 different voices, and it took 30 seconds. 3 quick tips before you build this. 1. Test your prompts. My prompt took 5 iterations to get right. If the AI sounds too salesy or generic, refine your guidelines. 2. Review before posting. AI is good, but it's not perfect. Sometimes it hallucinates details or uses weird phrasing. 5-minute review saves you from posting something dumb. 3. Customize for your brand. My prompts work for educational content. If you're selling products or running a personal brand, adjust the tone and style to match your voice. Let's recap. You built a workflow that takes one YouTube video and generates 12 platform-specific social posts using AI. It saves you hours every week and ensures every post feels native to its platform. If you want the full workflow template with my exact prompts, I've made it available. Link is in the description. Just import it into N8N and customize it for your content. And if you want help building custom automation systems for your business, whether it's lead generation, customer onboarding, content distribution, whatever, I do this professionally. Book a consultation call. Links also below. Thanks for watching. Now go automate your content.